7 easy ways to feel more calm. Our days are without a doubt incredibly busy. Before you know it, the day is over and your head is on the pillow, leaving you wondering where the day went. You may use these 7 straightforward suggestions to help you slow down, relax more, and rush less throughout the course of the day. 1. Inhale deeply. Sounds easy, doesn't it? But becoming conscious of our breath requires practice. One of the best ways to calm down and clear your mind is to slow down and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Making yourself as comfortable as you can while inhaling deeply through your nose is the secret. As you slowly exhale through your mouth, count to 8. Continue until you feel more rooted. 2. Accept silence. Have you ever considered how noisy everything around you is? Probably not, until you've encountered a brief period of unexpected silence. You can enjoy a bit of silence by simply getting up a little earlier than the rest of the home. Take a few calm, deep breaths before pausing and deliberately slowing down. Enjoy this uncommon opportunity for peace and quiet by resisting the impulse to fill the emptiness with music or other distractions. 3. Regular meditation. We all stand to gain from trying daily meditation, which has significant positive effects on our health. It is, however, simpler said than done. Although it may sound scary, meditation doesn't have to include sitting in solitude for hours on end contemplating our innermost thoughts. You only need 1 minute to get going. And don't worry, you don't need to figure it out on your own. Regular meditation practice has the finest results. A smart method to include it into your habit and have a nice day's start is to take a few moments before your feet touch the ground each morning. 4. Inhale some fresh air. The importance of taking a deep breath of fresh air cannot be overstated. Going outside might aid in clearing your mind of mental muck. It's simple to get sidetracked and sit at your desk all day. So why not establish a routine of going for a quick stroll outside during your lunch break? In this manner, you can perhaps obtain some fresh air as well as some vitamin D and sunlight. 5. Perform a digital detox. We are now more linked than ever thanks to the digital era, which can be both a benefit and a drawback. We are always accessible to work, friends, and family, which occasionally interferes with our ability to relax. A technology detox is an excellent approach to unwind and escape the digital rat race for a few hours or days. You can feel revitalized and invigorated and discover that you have a lot of free time. Consider adding a yearly detox to your schedule, possibly around the Christmas break. Or develop the practice of hiding your phone in a drawer every Sunday for a break. 6. To-do list creation. Nothing is worse than attempting to fall asleep while your mind is racing and your to-do list is unending. Making a to-do list before you go to sleep is a great approach to avoid this. Though some refer to it as a brain dump, the idea behind it is just to aid in getting your thoughts off of your mind and onto paper. In this way, you can get some rest without having to cope with the burden of attempting to recall everything you need to remember. 7. Sleep well at night. Getting a full 8 hours of sleep each night is one of the best things you can do for your health. It raises your energy levels and strengthens your immune system and cognitive function. Struggling to relax? A warm bath and keeping your room dark can assist. You should also avoid using screens an hour before bed.